In this video we're going to check out a couple of licks containing color tones, as I call them in my courses. And these are the tones between the scale tones in the pentatonic scale. Okay, let's do it. So we have this pentatonic scale here, the A minor pentatonic scale. So now I'm going to add two notes. I'm going to add this note, the flat 5. The blues note, it's sometimes called. And then I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to add another one. This one, the major 7. And I'm going to continue up the scale. And I add the flat 5 again here. I could add the major 7th here again, or here. But it's really not comfortable for the fingers, so I'm just going to skip that because this is like a practical way of doing things. So the whole scale looks like this then. So of course it adds a lot of color. You can really have lots of fun with this and come up with a lot of exciting and interesting licks compared to just using the pentatonic minor scale. So let's check out one of these licks. So I'm going to start here on the root and I play. And I come up here and I play this note. I climb back again. So I've played. Okay, so let's check out how that sounds together with the music. That was lick number 1. Let's check out another one. I'm going to use both of these color tones, creating lots of colors and lots of spice and a lot of attitude to my solo. So I start here on fret 5 on the A string and I play. I come up on the D string, play 5, 6, 7. So I then played. So that was both of the color tones in one lick. Let's check out how that sounds together with the backing track. Let's try one more lick coming down the scale, okay? So I start here on fret 5 on the B string and I play. Here comes the color tone. Up, down on the D string. Like that. I play fret 5 on the B string. 8 on the G string, the color tone, 7, 5, come down D string, 7, 6, 5, down on the A string, 7, and come up on the D string again. And I end up here. The whole lick looks like this then. Let's see how that sounds together with the track. so 3 licks using what I call color tones, which is a very effective way to add color and attitude to your solo playing and get out of this old pentatonic sound. Okay, have fun with these licks and don't forget to keep those strings ringing up.